So good morning and welcome. We are going to have this session on egogram analysis. Basically, we will not be talking on egogram too much. This is not a training session that you'll be getting a lot of knowledge on egogram. But what is the benefit of doing an egogram, and should we do egogram testing for us? Uh, we have already sent the videos of egogram. Uh, a brief introduction about egogram, how it helps. And today we will see the effect of egogram. How do we analyze a person? The most important thing is we need to understand. Often we say we like-minded people. So we talk about like and minded people. Mind. So it is very important for us to know the other people's mind, and it is also important for us to know our mind. So here with this egogram, we'll be able to understand our mind also. So we need to understand what is the ego. Ego is all about emotions. We do have emotions. Okay, because we are living being. Anything we see, we feel, and we feel like, and that emotion comes out from you, and that is the emotion, and it goes to that other person, maybe in a positive way or in a negative way. We don't know in which form it is going. So this egogram was basically about with the person by Dr. Eric Berne. And I think most of the people here are a trainer and they are aware about Eric Berne. So, in regard to Eric Berne, I request Mr. Supriyo, who already had a session in this 7 days webinar on the leadership. So, he said that I would like to speak something about this, Dr. Eric, and something about this egogram and transaction analysis also. So, can I welcome Supriyo to come on the stage?
Yes, good morning, everybody. I think,
Good morning.
yeah, I think everybody can see me and also can hear me, right? Yeah. Can you hear me? Is it okay? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we can. We can.
Okay, fine, fantastic. Thank you so much, Rajat, for giving me some time. Because see, when I heard of this session, normally I become very nostalgic because the first time I heard or read about this particular theory is during my student life, maybe in the year 88, 90 when I was doing my MBA. And that is the first time I came to know who is Eric Berne and what is this theories and all that. But frankly speaking, I did not understand or found some practical uses of this theory. Only it was a part of our course. And as a student, we studied and we passed also. Means we have taken the exam and passed also. But I frankly understand that it was of no use to me because whenever I came into sales, I was practicing manager, whatever it is. But I never used this. I do not remember using this particular theory in any way, but we studied something. Now, when I came into training in 2003, then that is the time when I re-studied the whole thing, some books of Rick Byrne and all, and then I found a lot of interest into it because the most fascinating part, I think I may not be remembering everything and would not be in a position to tell everything to you, but I will just take 5-10 minutes time. The little amount which I still remember, which I think we'll never forget, because again it is around say 5-6 years that I have not studied this book for the third time, right? Second time I did maybe 10 years back, but still I remember certain things, and that is very interesting. I think after so many years, whatever residual learning is left in my brain and which I apply on a daily basis, I think that is something which is the long-term retention, and the impact of the retention happens to all of us. So I will share with you whatever I remember till now and apply on a daily basis. There are three states of ego, and we all know that even before we are born, two-thirds of our brain is formed, and the rest, one-third of the brain is formed within 3 months after birth, within 3 months of the birth. So I think by 3 months, whatever brain we have developed, it is done. After that, it continuously reduces in the number of nerve cells or whatever we can talk of. It reduces in course of time. It never generates like other cells are generated. Our nerve cells do not generate. So this is a very crucial period for a person. Means the period before birth and 3 months after the birth. And this is this 3 months when our parent ego is developed. What is parent ego? Let me tell you, uh, briefly speaking, it is a kind of, see, our brain is a kind of recorder, tape recorder, which directly records everything that we see or that we hear or whatever we come across, whatever transactions we have, everything is recorded in our mind and it is stored in the subconscious mind. Some part obviously is also available in the conscious mind. Now, within the 2 or 3 months of our birth, our brain goes just recording what the child sees. And most likely, it is the parents who normally interact with the little child, little baby. So, it is called the parent ego. So, it is nothing but a direct recording that happens and that stays in our subconscious mind. And throughout our life, this plays a very important role in our transactions, in our interaction with people. So this is the parent ego. Means whatever we see, most likely the parents may not be exactly parent because maybe someone else is taking care in the childhood days. So that person plays a very important role in the development of psychology of any individual. And the ego that is generated based on the direct recording of whatever he sees, he feels, etc. That is the parent ego that we develop. Now, the second ego that is developed is the child ego, which is nothing but the emotional part of it. Means whenever suppose we see, suppose a child of say 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, whatever, a little baby, suppose he is crying, suppose he is hungry, so he is crying for the food. Now, maybe he finds her mother is enjoying otherwise, but he finds that the mother is not feeding him. So, what happens in his mind? So, this is the phase when our emotion comes into play. Means the little baby now starts feeling what is happening. So, a kind of feeling appears that he finds that he is not okay because he is hungry, but his mother is okay because the mother is enjoying otherwise. Means he is smiling, laughing, or doing some work or whatever she is doing, but not really very attentive to the child. So this is the kind of dukhi atma which is developed in the childhood itself, right? So whatever emotional aspect is in our brain, in our subconscious mind is called the child ego. And that plays a very important role throughout our life because many a times that subconscious mind we do not realize exactly what is happening in our subconscious mind, but it the recorder, whatever has been recorded, it keeps on replaying throughout our life. So this is the ego called the child ego, nothing but the emotional part of the ego, right? And the last one, that is the adult ego, which is developed in course of time. As we grow up, we start going to the school, etc. Then we normally do not go by whatever our parents say, right? Normally, we verify with data, facts, and figures, and then we form some idea, we develop our paradigm, and that also leads us to our transactions. For example, if you see today, if you ask anybody, like I think I remember 3 4 months back, I was traveling in a city called Bhubaneswar, and I booked one Ola bike. So I was about to ride the bike, but then I discovered that helmet is not there. So I asked the person, "Where is the helmet?" He said, "Sir, helmet is not required here." I said, "What? Why it is not required here?" Because police will not catch you even if alien rider does not wear a helmet. So what is this ego? This ego is nothing but the kind of parent-child ego. Means it is because of the fear of the police we wear the helmet. This is not adult ego. Now, what the adult ego? Adult ego, I understand this is for my safety. If I wear the helmet, then it can prevent in some unforeseen event, it will save my head or brain. So that is why we always wear the helmet. Because of the adult ego, if we hear the helmet, we wear the helmet always, irrespective of the police is catching hold or not. Now I was I went for some shopping. I discovered at least 50% people are not wearing the mask or wearing the mask, but the mask is actually hanging, not on the mouth or on the nose. Now, why? Because of the fear of police, they are wearing it. Or if someone says, "Where is your mask?" So they are wearing it. So they are actually controlled by the so-called parent, who has the authority. But if it's driven by the adult ego, then he is analyzing, he understands that wearing the mask is not only preventing myself, but also preventing others from spreading the virus. So this is how we behave. Means even I have seen so many leaders, even so many doctors also in the television, whenever the microphone is in front of the mouth, they are removing the mask. But that is the most important time when they should be wearing the mask. So it is not followed. It is followed by some, if it is followed by some, so that is not adult ego. Adult ego means whenever based on some data, facts, and figures, I analyze and I take a decision. This is what should be done, and this is what should not be done. So that is the ego which we always expect in the people, that we must be driven or we must be transacting or interacting with people with adult ego. So adult to adult communication is the most likely one, but fortunately or unfortunately, we are also driven by our parent ego and the child ego. And sometimes there is conflict, sometimes the transaction is complementary, sometimes the transaction is even different. So this is something what I wanted to share with you. Now, I think these three ego states are clear. Now, before we end, let me summarize quickly. So, parent ego is the direct recording of what I see now in my parents in my childhood, maybe 2, 3 months it starts. Second is the child ego, which is the emotional aspect of it. I feel I am okay or I am not okay. And vis-a-vis the other person is okay or not okay because of the transaction with me. And the third one, the final one, is the adult ego, which is nothing but a matured approach of any transaction. We analyze that with data, facts, and figures, with logic, and based on that, we take a decision, and accordingly, our transaction or our discussion follows. So, so this is the three ego states. Now, I think what Rajot is going to take up is how I can understand what is the different aspects of my ego, where I do stand in terms of these ego states. I think that is something which is, Rajot is going to take up. I think that based on that, some of us have made our graph. Where do I stand in terms of the three basic ego? Now, out of these three basic ego, there are even some bifurcation, some sub parts of it, which I think Rajat is going to take up. Now, any question you can ask me directly by unmuting. Otherwise, I will hand it over to Rajat. Over. Over to
Supriya,
Rajat.
thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for coming up with wonderful points. Now, we have 44 participants here, totally a 44. So, a lot of people are listening to you. So, some of the people may feel that it's a wonderful additions to their knowledge, and some people may feel that, yes, I know everything. There's nothing very special spoke by Supriya, right? So, again, this is a case of our egogram. Somebody will expect, someone will may not accept this, right? So listening to me, I think you will understand your ego stage. Whoever thought of it's a wonderful thing, yes, they are accepting it, and someone felt that, no, I know everything about this, what Supriya is speaking, there is nothing great about it. This again is a factor of our egogram. So here basically we are not be discussing too much about the egogram. It's just an introduction about the egogram, which comes from a transaction analysis. So what is the transaction analysis? I think we are not going to go deep in transaction analysis also. It is basically the first and foremost a therapeutic tool for positive change and growth. It can be used either in therapy. So this is actually a science. Okay, this is not nothing to do with astrology or something. we do go to a lot of astrologer to find out who are we and what we are, where we are going for the individual concerned or on a more surface level of for problem solving in everyday life. So this you can use for everyday life. Transaction analysis is a modern physiotherapy model which has its own particular language and theory of personality. It states the person transacts with a person in certain ways. So every time we do transactions and something goes out of us and we also receive something in transaction. So how do we do that? We will come to understand only once we do our egogram. So they structure their time between life and death in a particular way, plays their own particular games and lives out their own unique script. So here we are not going to describe about the transaction analysis because this is not the session on transaction analysis. Egogram is a part of that. So before I start my session, let me tell you a story because story is something which I like and most of the people they love it. And now you can see a saint. Now he was crossing all alone and you can see he was going to Himalayas. Now, the time he was going to Himalayas all alone, so he was crossing a jungle. And when he was crossing the jungle, there were a few dacoits who came. Now, this dacoits asked him, stopped him and asked him, "Who are you?" So he was keeping absolutely silent. Then they asked you, "What you have with you?" So he was still silent. And then they asked him, "Where are you going?" He was still silent. So now these dacoits got very irritated and say, "I've been talking to you for so long and asking you so many questions. Why are you not replying me?" Now what he say? Who am I? I don't know. What I have in me, that also I don't know. And where am I going? That also I don't know. And that's the only reason I'm going to this Himalaya to find out who am I, what I have, and where am I going. So the time I get my answer sitting on Himalayas, maybe the time I come back and I'll call all of you and tell you who am I, what I have, and where am I going? So now this kind of questions is there in everyone's mind. And I wonder, who am I? Like my name is Rajat. You can change it 100 times. But still after maybe 10 years, I come back to you. You'll call me, "Hi Rajat." I say, "I'm not Rajat, I'm X." Well, like, anyway, you are X or Y, but you are the same person. So the name is not who I am, what I have in my mind, where am I going, why am I like this, who controls my fate, and what type of personality I have, and how people perceive me. I may feel that I'm very good. Still, why they don't accept me? I want to find out like-minded people. So I want to see other people's mind who accept me. So sometimes, this thing comes in my mind. So before I try to find out like-minded people, let's know my mind. What kind of mind do I have? Now, this thing, a small question to all of you. Is my behavior controlled by my brain? It's just a simple question. So can I have something on the chat box? Yes, yes, yes. So it is being controlled. So everybody feels so. Now, a lot of people are here, those who are automobile trainers also, and people actually knows me as an automobile trainer. Now, in automobile, we say there is something called a ECM, that is the brain of the car, which controls everything. So whatever we are doing, or what is my behavior, is being controlled by my brain only. So do we know our brain? We go to hospitals to check ourselves. We do an insurance policy and we get a gift like you can go for to any hospital and get yourself checked. So they check lot many things, but not my mind. So here we are getting an opportunity with the ecogram to check our mind. And if we understand our brain properly, we will also be knowing what is my kind of behavior or can I change it. So we go to the next slide because here most of the time we will be spending on analysis of the our brain. So how it is formatted, it is very very important. If brain controls everything, so how it is being formatted? Like for a car, what we say, we do the calibrations of that ECM, and that's how Ola car cannot go above 80 speed or the truck cannot go over 80 speed. So the ECM is calibrated. So same thing, our brain is also calibrated. So we say how it is being formatted. Who does that? Like for a car, it is being formatted in the factory. But our mind, we don't go to a factory to get it formatted. But somehow, with our days crossed by, now maybe we are 30, 40, 50. So all these days, our brain is formatted by the environment. So if we are talking of environment, we are being born somewhere, maybe east, west, north, south. So during those period of time, our brain is formed. We may come up in a village, or we may come up in London or UK or wherever it is. So wherever we stay or wherever we are born, so we try to get used to those kind of environment. So our brain is formed accordingly. Then we do education. So some of you who are here, 45 participants. So our educations all are different. Someone has done engineering, someone has done management, someone did lot of certifications on lot many L&D products. And our experience, we have been working in different places. So maybe in 20 years time, I may have worked only in one company, or 20 years time, we may have worked in 20 companies. We don't know. So leaving a company, joining a company, so we get a lot of experience, and staying in one company also, we do have a lot of experience. So it may be a multinational company, their working style is different. If you work in a post office, that working environment is absolutely different. So the time this environment, education, and experience, they format our brain slowly, and we don't know whether it is a Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 9. Now here, by doing an egogram, we will understand this environment, what kind of impact we have on our brain, the kind of educations we had, what kind of impact it has created in our brain, and our experience throughout these 20 years and 30 years in corporates or as a freelancer, how this has impacted our brain. And the things, the way our brain are being impacted, we do behave accordingly. Okay, are you with me in this case? Can I have something on the, any question on this? If we have, yes, we can have certain questions also. Do you agree to this? Our brain is formatted by this three things, triple E, what we call a triple E. Okay, yes. Sakshi also says yes. Yes, Desai, yes. So it has been formed. Now we need to see, since we are brought up, born, educated in all different parts of the country, our brains cannot be same. Agree to this? Okay, so we are going to go to the next slide to find out more in details, because I think people are waiting. And this triple E has formed our brain like this. So this is our brain. So 10 people who are lucky to get this egogram free of cost, they have got a graph like this, all of you, all of you. So there is one thing known as a controlling parent, that is a CP. One is a NP, which is a nurturing parent. One is an adult. One is a natural child. Now LP is a little professor and AG is an adaptable child. So these are the 6 parameters on which this egogram is prepared. So once we send you a link, you are supposed to, you can't see the screen, Guru Prasad, but are you, other people, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, yes, Rajat.
Okay. Okay.
Rajat, Christy here.
Yes.
And I can see the screen, but one thing not related to this subject, why I am not able to chat? The chat option is not available. It's only for tele. This feature is not available for telepresence. Something like that is.
No. It is the chat options are there. The people are writing. I can see the chat. Now, since this is a
Yeah, I can see others writing. I can see others writing, but in mine this is disabled. I don't know. This feature is applicable
Christy, this is
only for tele.
Christy, this is
Supriya.
Are you using your mobile? Are you
Yeah.
using your okay, so in the mobile, if you mobile, you will not find this chat option directly, right? But
Okay.
if you go whatever 2-3 icons are available, you touch one icon and you all 5-6 options will be open, and then you can select the chat option and you can chat.
No. See, I had gone to all those things. Chat with everyone option. I clicked, but still I am not able to.
Supriya, we are having a session on Monday. So there's one person who is going to come and teach us this new platform, because all are not used to this new platform. So we are having a session on Monday or Tuesday where an expert will come, teach all of you, and do the coaching, teaching, and hand holding and everything. Okay.
Right, Rajat.
So,
Right, Rajat.
so because
Okay, sorry,
platform,
you can continue. Okay, fine.
yeah. So one is a controlling parent. We will understand what is a controlling parent. Like the controlling parent, the words itself say the parent is very controlling. They would like to control, right? You must enter my room at 7 o'clock. The children, and same thing when he goes to the office, he command the people. Okay, like that only in the same manner. He would like to control people. Now nurturing people, the word itself is very clear. Nurture. So I do nurture the people. Adult is one thing, very to the point. We will see a lot of details how the adult behaves and how they talk. Then we do also have a natural child we do have. Now little professor we will understand in our coming slides. And one is the adaptable child. The child adapt lot many things from the surroundings. So what all things he has adapted, we will also see that later on. But there are 6 points by which you can get an egogram, and this egogram will reflect all your behavior which is being controlled by the brain. Now I go to the next slide. So slowly we'll be understanding how this egogram will help you. So from this egogram, what we see, there are few people who are very creative. There are very people very competitive. Now there are people who may not be competitive. दुनिया क्या कर रहा मतलब नहीं है. But I should be very happy in my home watching TV. I want to work from 9 to 6. That's all. There is no competition required. Some people are very cheerful, always very cheerful, laughing, giggling, clear-hearted, clever, calm. So you can see the screen. There are a lot many kind of people which we have surrounding to us, and then we try to find out our like-minded people. Who are my like-minded? So I am cheerful. I will like to find out a person who is cheerful. I am very competitive. I would like to find out a person who is competitive. So this is my assumption. I am competitive. I may be, I may not be. So by doing the egogram, you will be able to, the first thing you are able to find out who are you. Whether you are competitive, whether you are cheerful. I may think I'm cheerful. I may think I'm calm. I may think I'm clever. I may think I'm compassionate. I may think I'm cooperative. So we are able to find out. Now I will show you the different kind of people, what you see here. Now these are the different kind of people who are my friends. These are the people. But here you can see the graph. So these are my friends' brain, or these are going to be the people's brain, and this is going to be the kind of their behavior. A very important questions to all of you. Do you find all the graphs are same or different slightly, or too much difference is there? Can I have on the chat box? It's slight difference, or it's
No, much difference is there.
Much. Okay, slight difference. Ramana, slight difference. Okay, so one is M, one is W also. Okay, huge difference. Loads of difference. Okay, lot of difference. Now, if there is lot of difference, you will find the graph number 2. It is a kind of M. It is a kind of M. Now, in this last slide, in the last graph, it is not M, it is W. So one is M and one is W, but both are friends. My friendship is there with all of them. Okay. So do you think my graph will be similar to any of the graph? What do you think so? Will it be same? It cannot be. Okay. So my graphs are absolutely different from other people. No, it won't be. So it is going to be absolutely different. So the participants who got their results, this is the graph what you can see. Some of their graph, but I have not mentioned because this should be confidential, and a lot of things we cannot discuss here with all 50 people sitting here. So all graphs are different. So one more thing here I would like to say, not about the graph. So the last graph, what you see is on paper. Now I used to do this kind of transaction analysis, a part of egogram, with different corporates. So whenever I used to go there and teach on sales or on leaderships or on conflict management, I say I will take up all the sessions. But prior to that, I want to do a egogram for all of you so that I don't give you a presentation as a cut copy paste. I want to make a presentation absolutely different, suitable for your organization and the people you're working. Because the leaders of post office and the leader of Tata Steel and the leaders of Reliance may not be same. All are different. So they recruit and retain people according to their expectations. So they also have a lot of psychometric tests during the time they recruit people. So since all the people are different, so this is the additional thing I have seen. Suppose for a training session, I used to get 10,000 rupees. Just I'm giving an example, 10,000 rupees. So I used to tell them, you have 10 more participants. I will charge 1,000 rupees from all the participants. So I need 20,000 rupees. So this is just a suggestions to you. Tomorrow, if you are going with this egogram, the professional fees which you can earn it may also be high, and the kind of presentations what will you give, that will also improve a lot, and the outcome will also be much better. Now, all the people are different. All the people are different. Now, if I have my most important question, if I have to be friendly to all the people, what I should do? Should I change the graph of other people? So, what I should do? I want to be friends to all the six people. I don't want to lose them. I don't want to miss them. I don't want to hurt them. What I should do? Adapt your style. Okay, Ramnath. So you will adapt your style. So what is your style? Are you aware of that? What is your style? We need to think on that. Change your own graph.
We have to adapt.
Do I know my graph? Compliment style of others. Fantastic. Supriya. Change the graph according to others. Okay. Adapt to others. Very nice. Umar. Any other thing? Adapt. Okay. So I want to be like that graph. Okay. Amita. Very nice answer. Adapt to their graph. So people will like me. Okay. Here, just a moment. Adapt your style, Ramnath. What is my style or what is your style? Have you ever done a analysis on this? What is your style? What is your graph? Change your own graph. Okay, so we have to know our graph. Very nice. Compliment style of others. Okay. Adapt and empathize. Adapt and adopt. Okay. So which style should I adopt? If I try and adopt chart number 1, then how can we friendly to other people? So every time you want me to change my graph. Is the question interesting? Is it possible to change the graph? Suppose in one day I want to meet 6 people. In 6 days, with 6 people in one day, I'll keep on changing my graph. Is it possible? Start accepting different is not equal to wrong, Ramnath. Okay. Got it yesterday. Okay, Ramnath, now he knows his graph. So first notice the difference, then I'll only adapt to accept it. Okay, so whatever things I have accepted from others. Okay, now you will accept it. So will other people accept it? That is also a very good question. Will other people accept it? Your graph. You are accepting his graph. Will other people accept his graph? Okay, I think people must have got absolutely confused. No necessary. Okay, so slowly we will go to the next slide where we will understand how this graph is formed and what is the effect of this graph. So people now have a lot of questions in themselves. What is my graph is all about? I've been working. 10 बजे मैंने exactly registration form भरा. उसके बाद there are 10 people who got this lucky winner and they made their egogram, and finally everyone is having their egogram in front of them. Still the people are confused. Now what does this show? So ego states. Now, if my questions to you, you have ego with you because you are not a dead person. You have ego, and your emotion always moves very fast. So when we all have this ego states, which is a parent, adult, and child. So we can't say that I have my parent is very high, or my adult is very high, or my child is very high, or I have only child, or I have only adult, right? So this stage, this is one thing we have in us because this has been developed over years. We have been brought up by our parents. We have worked with certain amount of people. By this adult things came up in us, and we also have the child stage because we have been playing a lot, and still now we play. There are a lot of people, those who have a lot of hobbies even now, right? So we do have in us all stages. It is not we have only parent or adult or a child, because to someone you are a child, to someone you are a parent, to someone you are an adult. So this ego stage is made up of consistent of feeling and behavior. So we need to understand these three things we have in us. But only one thing we can say, out of these three things, there is one thing dominant. Either my dominance is too much of a parent. Now, if my dominant is more on a parent, my action will be more as a parent. Okay. So basically, these three or six things, what is there is a natural child, or one we can talk of a adaptable child, or we can tell a little professor. We do have everything within us, but one thing is always dominant. So with that, what is the dominance in us? We need to see in our thing. So something, any one of you is dominant more on parent. So the parent kind of people, they'll be more on lecturing, judging, criticizing, gives advice. Now criticizing means they are the controlling kind of parent. Lecturing, judging the people, gives advice and talks down, takes care of someone. So this is if any person is dominant on parent, your behavior will be more on lecturing, judging, criticizing, gives advice, right? Now, if you are more dominant on adult part, the objective and rational, ask for information. So you are going to ask for lot of information from people, so that more and more knowledge is there within you. Like a lot of people are here today. Yes, you came because you wanted more of information. I have seen the your egogram things what you have sent. A lot of people, they never wanted to anything. Just they want to come and see. There are some people who wanted to learn, and there are certain people who had some problems or some challenges which they would like to overcome, and how they can overcome. And if your behavior is a child, so submissive, complying, talks up, playful, impulsive, emotional, and throws tantrums. So if you are more dominant on this, this is the kind of behavior you are going to have in your future. Like if you are talking about a child, now child doesn't mean he should be a 10 years or he should be a 60 years. So child things can retain maybe for a 60 or 70 years people also. And maybe a child of 10 years with so much a problem with his family or the surroundings, he grows up to an adult at the age of 10 only. So now by now, what kind of dominance you have, either a parent, adult and child, you will come to know with the egogram. So once you know if your parent is high, okay, what kind of behavior comes out from you, and how other people perceives you. Now let us take, your parent is high and you are going for a negotiation. You are going for a negotiation with a company, and that company, the person head, national head, his adult is very high. So your behavior is going to come out lecturing. You would like to give a lot of lectures to get the business. And the person who is sitting as a national head, his dominance is adult. Now, what do you think the outcome will be of your contract? A small question to you. You are lectures, you are giving advice, and you are trying to take care of that person. And the person who has a national head, he's he is a very dominant adult. Something on the chat, please. What do you think the outcome should be? May not get the contract. Okay. Deal fails. Conflict. Okay. Ego clash. Okay. Very nice. He may not like your dominance. Fantastic. Now let us take in the other way. Your adult is very high. You want to go there, talk to the point, give a presentation, and ask for the deal. Okay. And the national head from whom you want to take the contract, his parent is very high. Now, what do you think? As an adult, you're objective and rational, ask for information, treat people equally. But he will be giving a lot of lectures, judging you, gives advice and talks down. This is the way you should be doing your business, and takes care of someone. Then also the business may not come. Right? Now it is very, very important to know the person whom you are meeting, and whether his parent is dominant or adult is dominant and child is dominant. So we will be talking about, because everyone you meet, you don't know, because you are not going and doing the egogram. So whether his parent is high or adult is high or child is high, we are going to talk about this also in our next slide. Okay. So you can verbally talk adult, but compliment with your child. Okay, this is fantastic. Child through your body language. Soumya, this is wonderful. Think what. So you being an adult may choose to listen. Okay, so that you message the parent. Fantastic, Mini. So Venkatesh, Venkatesh, you will gain because as adult you understand what is important. You will gain. Okay. So I'll be obedient child initially and go to adult. Okay. So Supriya, you will be an obedient child. So your child behavior. So what does a child do? Submissive, compliant, talks up, playful, impulsive. Okay, and throws tantrums. So this is going to be your behavior if you want to behave like a child. But the person is an adult. Do you think they will like it? What are the likings? As I am saying that I need to adapt their style. So here you have to adapt the style of an adult or a parent. Okay, we will see in our next slide. Slowly we will go. So this dominance plays a very important role. Now with this, what happens? There can be a conflict between the organization and in the family also. So the behavior what I have, if my adult is too high, I go and try to command my office. And when I come back, I try to command my wife and my children. And whenever I want to meet up in the evening parties, maybe with some of my friends, I try to command where to go, what to have, what not to have. So there may be a conflict. And also, there may be a conflict, but it is not that every time I do have conflicts, and there are agreements also. Now, I see, I am running an organization of 100 people with me. 50 people likes me, 50 people don't like me. I don't know why. I'm good to all of them. But there may be a conflict with 50 people and there may be agreement with 50 people. Now, if you are interested for an agreement with all 100 people, this ecogram will help you. Are you with me? Now we do have different hierarchy. I may be the national head or I may be the absolutely on the front line. And or I can be a project manager or something in between also. So it may happen that I need to be good to the people who are superior than me or above me, or I'm good, need to very important the people who are working with me, and there are some people below me also. So this happens in an organization and this happens in a family also. So when I'm staying with a joint family, whether I'm a nuclear family or something, but there are a lot of times there are a lot of function which goes and a lot of relatives they come. So I need to mingle with every one of them, and everyone should say this function was quite good, and we were all cooperative and supportive to each other. And after that, the function is over with a happy note. But there are a lot of function you might have seen. There are a lot of conflicts in between. This thing never happened well up to my expectation. So even this egogram will help you in your family and in your organizations also. We have in this we can have interpersonal relations and intrapersonal relations also. So this egogram will help both of you in both the parameters. Now, are you a parent, adult, or a child? So when we see this, for a child, it can be a natural child. So there are two graphs for a child. It can be a natural child. Natural child means गाना गाओ, गाना गाना शुरू हो गया, डांस करो, डांस करना शुरू हो गया. कौन कर सकते हैं? वो बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं, 60 साल वाले भी कर सकते हैं. It is not that child means because of the age. The child is in the brain. Then we have a ego, which is an adult ego. We need to understand what is the ego, which is the adult. Now, adult ego, everybody wants. आपके पास adult ego है? नहीं, एकदम नहीं है. ऐसा भी बात नहीं. बहुत ज़्यादा है, ऐसा भी नहीं है. And there is something called a parent kind of. The parent can be nurturing parent and punishing parent, or a kind of a critical parent or commanding parent. I just like to give an example here on the nurturing parent and the kind of a punishing parent. मैंने बच्चे को साइकिल खरीद के दिया 5,000 का ड्रेस खरीद के दिया, और वो शाम को खेलने गए बाजार में, और वहां से फाइट हुआ बच्चे लोग के साथ, एंड ही कम्स बैक, उसका सारे कपड़े फट गए 5,000 का, और सारे साइकिल तोड़ दिए 5,000 का. नाउ आई स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग एट टीम. मैंने कल 10,000 खर्चा किया आफ्टर वर्किंग सो हार्ड इन दिस सिचुएशन, एंड सारा तोड़ दिया. बट मे बी मम्मी कम्स ओवर एंड से साइकिल छोड़ो, फिर से आ जाएगा, बट लेट मी सी व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू. So this is the kind of a nurturing parent, and this is the kind of a very kind of commanding parents. Now this module, you will slowly understand this egogram about the adult ego stage. Now if somebody is having an adult ego stage, with this graph we don't understand anything. ओके ये लाइन दिख रहा है, सीपी से गया, एनपी में गया, एनपी से गया एडल्ट में गया, वहां से एनसी में आया, एलपी आया, एसी में गया. सो एसी डाउन कोई अप, तो इससे फर्क क्या पड़ता है? नाउ आई विल टेल यू, ऑल 10 people people are here, I believe, and all people of you have a graph. किसी का adult है ये, और सभी को जो graph मिला, okay. If I talk in number one graph, which is the highest? Can I have a chat? What is the highest? A small question. What is the highest? Can I see the graph? Number one. यहाँ पे 14, 16, 13, 18, 15, 19. So here, what is the highest? If we see this, or what is the second highest? Because today's session is basically an analysis of the graph. Okay, transaction analysis का नहीं है. What is the egogram? Just introduction. We are going to talk about the graph.
15, no?
AC is the highest. AC is the highest. 19. The second is the natural child. So इस बंदे का natural और इस बंदे का nurturing parent is also on a higher, and the adult is low. Okay, so we are going to find out if something is on the highest, then what happens? If something is at the lowest, what happens? Okay, we are going to understand from this right up, and then one to one, maybe I go for 5 minutes to analyze the graph, and then I can give you certain kind of understanding about your graph. Now, egogram, adult ego. Now, typical words. अब मैं नेशनल हेड के पास सेशन लेने जा रहा हूँ, या नेशनल हेड के पास मेरे को एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेना है. So when I meet that person, what I see, this happens in both of you. Now those typical words, what they use is what, when, where, how, which, why, who, reasons. They are very, very to the points, and they want to talk less but coming to the points. Their typical voice and tone will be level, even clear, calm, inquiring, modulated, and unemotional. They are not emotional. Sir, कल मेरे घर में बहुत बारिश हो गया था और घर में पानी घुस गया था और मैं काम को कर नहीं पाया. They will not be they are very unemotional. So typical facial expressions, they are going to be very alert, open, attentive, and thoughtful. Typical postures, erect, level-headed, regular, eye will blinks, and alert, relaxed, and attentive, and aware, level eye contact. And typical attitudes, non-judgmental, pen-minded, interested, conflict, flexible, logical, rational, and objective. Now, अगर आपका adult ego ज़्यादा है, your behavior is going to be this kind of behavior. And the people whom you are meeting, if you don't know that person, how is that person? अगर ये सारे आपको उनका behavior से नजर आ रहा है, about they say what, when, where, how, so you need to understand. इनको अगर मैं adult के हिसाब से pitch करूँ, मेरा child high है, मेरा parental high है, but the person as national head जिनके साथ मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, this is the same person in life. Maybe my wife, adult ego is very high, adult उनका ज्यादा है और मेरा पेरेंटल ज्यादा है. अब मान लो मैं मेरा वाइफ को बोलता हूँ, आप जा रहे हो बाहर में शॉपिंग के लिए, जा रहे हो, पानी ले लो, आप कुछ दवाई भी ले लो, कार्ड को संभाल के रखो, राइट? बिकॉज माई पेरेंटल इज हाई. सो हाउ डू यू थिंक द रिलेशन विल बी विथ माई वाइफ? माई वाइफ इज गोइंग आउट फॉर शॉपिंग. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बाहर गर्मी है, आप पानी ले लो, आप पर्स को संभाल के रखना, मेरे को बीच बीच में आप फोन करते रहना, बट उनका एडल्ट हाई है. हाउ डू यू थिंक आवर रिलेशनशिप विल बी? कैन यू जस्ट पुट इन चैट? A small chat. People are still thinking about the wife. Good, because the adult will balance with your adult. Okay. अच्छा मिनी, मेरा तो adult है नहीं, मेरा तो parental है. I tell as a parent, and I want to take care of my wife. आप छाता लेके जाना, पानी लेके जाना, ठंडा पानी लेके जाना, बर्फ होना चाहिए, अच्छा irritated हो जाएगा. So there is going to be clash. So if I have to keep my wife happy, how should I behave? What should I do? Mine is parent, meaning मेरा पेरेंट हाई है और मैं सबका केयर ले, और आई रियली वांट टू नर्चर माय किड्स. तो मैं वाइफ को भी बड़ा नर्चर करना चाहता हूँ. आई एम गुड, आई फील मेरा वाइफ को इतना केयर ले रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माय वाइफ. छाता लेके जाओ, पानी लेके जाओ, हर एक घंटा में फोन करते रहना, कहीं खो ना जाए. But her ego, adult is high. How do you think our relationship is? Let her live. Okay, okay, very nice. So let her live. So how do I have to behave like an adult? I don't have to tell her too many things. I need to only say, I think you are aware of Pune. Just go out, do the shopping, come back. Do not advise. Okay, I start advising. Now same thing I do to a national. Do you think same thing will happen? Tell her, let me know if you need me. Okay, fantastic, Soumya. If you need me. Okay, some more. So people, they were saying, I have to act like them. Now I need to understand whether my adult ego is high or child ego is high and parent ego is high. So now I will know what kind of transactions I do to other people. Fantastic. Now let us understand something on, okay, use words. I trust you, we will do well. Okay, fantastic. So same thing I need to talk to the national leader also and to my friends also. One of my friend is very nice. You know, Swami is writing or Mini. So if I keep on advising Mini ji, आप ऐसा करो. Mini ji, आप ऐसा PPT बनाओ. My parents, then you will do very good business. You start calling up people every day. Mini ji, I call you up and give you some piece of advice, and your adult is very high. Then what happens? Okay, we'll go to the next to understand because time is crossing and we have to do some. Okay, break and no trust. Fantastic. I am doing good to her, Mini, but वो फिर भी trust खत्म हो जाएगा. So now next is a parent ego stage. Now there are two kind of, one is a critical parents and one is a nurturing parent. So critical parents can be father also, mother also. ऐसे नहीं है कि बाप डांटते हैं, माँ कभी नहीं डांटती है, पैम्पर करती है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है बाप ज्यादा पैम्पर करते हैं, मदर बड़ा क्रिटिकल हो सकता है. So it may be anything. So let us not have one thing in mind. Mothers are always nurturing and fathers are always critical, or maybe both are critical, or maybe both are nurturing, right? And then we spoil the child. So typical words always, should always, critical. You do always, every day you should come back at 7. Bad, disgraceful. Don't you ought. You must always because I said so. So very very commanding guy, but nurturing Korea splendid. Wow, great. Don't worry. Well done. So they will try to motivate whatever things they are doing. So typical voice or tone, critical, disgusted, sharp, conceding, authoritative, sneering, bossy, loud, angry. But nurturing parents जो रहेंगे वो loving रहेंगे, caring रहेंगे, warm रहेंगे, understanding रहेंगे, supportive रहेंगे, sympathetic रहेंगे, encouraging boss रहेंगे. If I have a boss whose critical parent is very high, he will be very very critical to me. But if a nurturing parent boss is there, he will be too much loving to me. The typical facial expression, frowning, hostile, scowling, and rigid. But nurturing parents are always smiling, always cool, proud, and loving. So, what I'm trying to say, comparing with my personal life, work life, and my life in my home, typical postures, critical parent का कुछ postures रहता, they are always tight, closed up, head back, arms folded, foot tapping, as if I'm a king. Whatever I will say, you have to follow. Forward draws, finger pointing, scowling face, set jaw pounding on table, and hands on hips. So they will be putting. So you can just observe the people whom you are talking to, where the hands are. It's on the hips. So you know he's a kind of critical parent. But nurturing parents में जैसे रहेंगे, relaxed, head forwarding, nodding, kissing, open arms, patting on the back. There are a lot of your bosses, you know, they come to you and pat on your back because these are the people who are nurturing parents. So you have to behave with them uh, like an adult, like a child, or like a parent. A simple question to you. If you believe, if your boss or your any of your friends, they have a nurture, they are a kind of nurturing parent, then you will understand if you keep on just give your thought process. Your boss is more of a nurturing parent. How you should behave with them? Like a nurturing parent, like a critical parent, like an adult, like a child. Okay, very right. Or Soumya, like a child from any other people. I think if you are getting the things correctly, this is a long session. It should be, but for 1 hour, I know people are compact for child. As they say, like a child, we must behave like an adult or adapted child. Okay. Why like an adult? Just can you open up the mic and tell me? वो nurturing parent है, मैं उसके साथ adult जैसे क्यों behave करूँ? Just your thought process for me to understand.
Rajat, why I'm saying,
Yeah.
see, the boss is a nurturing child. So if
Hmm.
I behave like an adult, it would be easier for me to blend into his nurturing, nurturing parent situation. Because
Okay.
if I behave like see, nurturing means there's a lot of support which I get, right?
Okay.
So as
Okay.
an adult, I can complement with that behavior of a nurturing parent. So probably he will give
Okay.
me he would be motivated to give me even more support. That is my understanding. Huh?
Okay. So he would like to nurture me. He would like to nurture me, and if I behave like an adult, so my behavior should be like an adult. If you see, what, when, how, why. Okay, so why are you doing this? But he is tapping for no reason. Likes to like you, love you a lot, but you are very very on level, even clear, calm inquiry. So we'll come to the graph and then we will talk further. So we are talking just for your understanding how do you take that ecogram, because this ecogram I've been practicing for last 3 years with a lot of corporates and one-to-one also. We will see the time we go with this uh, graph for the 10 people. Maybe 1 or 2% can come up. Okay, now typical attitudes, moralistic, controlling, judgmental, dominating. Now these are the critical parent will be dominating, authoritarian, being rigid, demanding, setting standards, being responsible, commanding, and with respect. And they expect a lot of respect because they are a king now. Okay, they would like to control people. But this nurturing parent is a caring, supportive, understanding, permissive, protective, nurturing, and editing and helping also. They would always like to help you. They are always in a mood, they'll call you up to help you. Now we will also see child ego stage. Now here there are one is a compliant child, one is a rebellious child. So basically, if you talk about natural child, they're fun, fantastic, super, wow, I feel great about it. I'm scared, I won't, I'm sad. If he's sad, he will tell you I'm sad. बाहर में दोस्त का पसंद नहीं है साइकिल बोल देता है तुम्हारा साइकिल खराब है तुम्हारा हेयर कट खराब है सो स्ट्रेट अवे दे से एवरीथिंग व्हाट दे फील लाइक they are mad, I am angry. Here, being an adult, if I'm angry also, I will not tell you I'm angry. But a child, वो हर चीज बोल देते हैं आपको. So it is very, very easy for you to understand a child. Typical voice or tone, it's a giggling, exciting, aggressive, loud, impulsive and fast रहेगा इनका. Typical facial expression जो है relaxed रहेगा. बच्चा है relaxed है, कोई tension नहीं है life का. Alive, wide-eyed, open, joyful, seductive. Cautious, animated, वो animate करेगा आपको. आप जैसे करोगे आपके साथ animate करेगा. Rapid, right? So you can read the rest of the things and adapted child also their most important are the words please, can I, sorry, thank you, I wish, I will try hard, compliant child, rebellious child, I can't, I will not. Now just as normal things, compliant child and the rebellious child. The compliant आप उनको थिएटर में लेके गए हैं और वो आपको बोलते हैं मेरे को एक बलून दो बोलते हैं ठीक है बेटा पिक्चर खत्म होने दो फिर बाहर आके बलून खरीदता हूँ बड़ा कंप्लाइंट चाइल्ड है रेबेलियस चाइल्ड जो घर में बड़े हुए बहुत सारे अंकल लोग के साथ और हर अंकल के 3 बेटे हैं तो इन दैट हाउस देयर आर मे बी 20 किड्स अब उनको एक लड्डू आता तो लास्ट में मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा पता नहीं उनको छीन के लेना पड़ता है एंड स्लोली स्लोली दिस हैबिट कम्स अप व्हेन ही ग्रोस सो यू वुड लाइक टू वो छीनने का आदत बन जाता है तो उस तरह के बच्चे जमीन में रोके बैठेंगे और रोएंगे इतना चिल्लाओगे कि हॉल खाली हो जाएगा पापा बोलता पहले बलून दो फिर हम लोग साथ में चलते so this is the kind of a rebellious child. Now they are very, very compliant child, are soft, willing, civil, flaccidity, and pleading and mumbling. But rebellious child will taunt करेगा आपको. They will always try to taunt. Now compliant child will be helpless, downcast and sad, but they are going to be rebellious and pouting. Now controlled, perfectly still, obeying, dejected, slump, but these are going to be thoughtful, envious, and rebellious child is going to be some kind of complaint and passive, and this kind of people are going to be obedient, servile, and polite. Now, rebellious child will be definite, delaying and procrastinating and complaining also. So this is the kind of thing. If your graph is there, then I will be talking one-to-one about this graph. Now, one very, very important thing which came up is a little professor. Now, this little professor, बचपन में देखेंगे कि बहुत बच्चे लोग को बोलते थे ये तो मेरा नाना है छोटे से बचपन से ज्ञान देंगे तो दिस लिटिल प्रोफेसर इज द अनस्कूल्ड विजडम ऑफ अ चाइल्ड आप उनका ट्रांजिस्टर दे दो बंद करा के वो खोल के बना के आपके हाथ में दे देगा सो दे नो लॉट मेनी थिंग्स इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड ईगो स्टेट दैट इज इंट्यूटिव responding to non-verbal messages and playing unchecked with it a child figures things out things such as when to cry, when to be quiet, and how to manipulate mama into smiling. Now, examples of the manipulative. A subordinate gets what he wants from his superior. इस तरह का बंदा लोग ना बॉस लोग को अच्छा से मैनेज करके चलते हैं, जॉइंट फैमिली में अच्छा से मैनेज करके चलते हैं, दोस्त लोग के साथ मैनेज करके चलते हैं, बिकॉज दे नो हाउ टू कम आउट फ्रॉम दैट लूप. बाय क्विरिंग चेन थियरी आइज रो देगा, आपको दुख दर्द दिखा देगा, as he tells him how hard he tries to keep up with the work. Like a cloth salesman preaches in deal saying, the shirt fits you so nicely that it looks. वो अच्छा से जानता है वो सिचुएशन पे कैसा करके आपको मैनिपुलेट करके. So these are the manipulating people. But they have this little professor, if it is high on your part, you are going to be very, very creative. Now, these are the people, do some kind of business where creativeness is required. So this is a time, ये लॉकडाउन के बाद most of the people are thinking of starting their own business. Now, if the little professor is in a lower part, they may not be creative. So they should not take up any business which requires a creativeness in that. So we have come here as we were discussing adult to adult. काफी अच्छा चलता है. It is a complementary transition, effective and successful communication. These are when two people's ego state are sympathy complementary to another. एकदम अच्छा रिलेशन जाएगा. मैं भी एडल्ट, मैं भी टू द पॉइंट बोलता हूँ, आप भी एडल्ट बोलते हो. ना पेरेंट और चाइल्ड. पेरेंट क्या उम्मीद करेगा, मेरे सामने जो भी आता मेरे से कुछ मांगे, बच्चा को मांगना चाहिए. तो चाइल्ड आते तो बड़ा खुश हो जाते हैं. Parent to adult, this also goes very well. Now, child to adult, this also goes very well. So we have a long study for this here. This is not a training on this. So what we are going to do, I am going to show you some. I am going to show you some graph by which how will you do this. I am sure ये जो आपका एक ग्राफ दिख रहा है, graph दिख रहा है. Let us take graph number 3. Graph number 3. Can you see graph number 3? All of you can see graph number 3, I believe. So graph number 3 में controlling parents, इस बंदे का control नहीं है. Control part is very less in the house, in the office. Nurturing parent उससे ज्यादा है. वो control नहीं करेगा, nurture बहुत ज्यादा करेगा लोगों को. Adult भी काफी अच्छा, quite a matured person. People likes him as a matured person. And people likes him, उसका nurturing भी थोड़ा है. But अगर आप natural child देखेंगे, उसका बहुत अच्छा है. लिटिल प्रोफेसर वो 5 पे चले गया. 5 मीन्स ही इज नॉट क्रिएटिव. वो अगर एक बिजनेस करेगा वो 20 साल कर सकता है, 5 साल करता है, वहां से निकल कर तो कोई नया बिजनेस शुरू नहीं करेगा. एंड एडेप्टेबल चाइल्ड इज वेरी हाई. Now the thing is, if the controlling parent is too low, what my questions to all of you, for you to understand slowly this graph, आप जैसे जैसे ग्राफ करेंगे, then one to one I can have a discussion जिसका भी ये ग्राफ है. Point number 3. अगर उनका कंट्रोलिंग पेरेंट कम है, हाउ डू यू थिंक, एंड नर्चरिंग पेरेंट कम है, उनको आप जीएम बना देंगे, हाउ डू यू थिंक दिस पर्सन विल वर्क. और इन अ सीनियर पोजीशंस, एक ऑथोरिटेटिव पोजीशंस पे दे देंगे, हाउ डू यू थिंक दिस पर्सन विल वर्क. और या उनका घर में देयर आर 3 brothers, 3 wives एंड 10 kids टोटल, दिस इज अ फैमिली. उनका घर में कितना कंट्रोल करेगा और ऑफिस में कितना कंट्रोल कर सकता है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस पर्सन, और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस ही शुड टेक अप. It's a question to all of you, because this we need to understand this. It is always better one to one. You will expect all employees to behave as adults. Okay. Teaching role. Okay, fantastic. Actually, I know the graph. He's a teacher. He's a very good teacher. He is very good junior. Okay. He's a very good junior. Lovable person. Adult भी अच्छा है, nurturing भी अच्छा है. Some more. Should I make him a project manager? Yes, no. In my organization, I want to make him a project manager. अच्छा, no. Okay. अच्छा, Indrajit also feels no. Okay. Right. Now suppose he is my friend. He will fail as prime minister. Okay. He will fail as a prime minister also. Now he is my friend. I recruit him. रामनाथ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर. अच्छा, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर मैं बना लेता हूँ उनको. अपना एक प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा है, उनको मैं प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर बना देता हूँ. देन व्हाट हैपेंस? एम्प्लॉयज विल लव हिम. अच्छा, but business will be at a loss. Fantastic. Now slowly you are able to connect it. अगर उनका CP कम है, fantastic. Okay. Now I go to the next. I PM is a project manager. Fantastic. Not prime minister. Okay. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. ये fifth जो बंदे हैं, it is not a M, not a W. It is a U. It is still he is my friend. Still he is my friend. So इनका सबसे कंट्रोलिंग पेरेंट बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल करेंगे सबको, नर्चर उससे कम करेंगे, एडल्ट बहुत ज्यादा कम है, डिसीजन कम ले पाएंगे. नर्चरिंग एनसी नेचुरल चाइल्ड अच्छा है, लिटिल प्रोफेसर अच्छा है, एंड लिटिल प्रोफेसर मीन्स क्रिएटिविटी भी अच्छा है और कंट्रोलिंग पेरेंट भी अच्छा है. एंड देन एसी इज वेरी हाई, ही इज हाईली प्रोसेस ओरिएंटेड. What do you think about the graph, fifth graph? किस तरह का होना चाहिए? Control free, detective, police department, Soumya, dominates and also likes to be controlled. Principal, okay. Principal अच्छा लगा, command करेगा. Okay. Send him to military. Okay. Send him to military. That's very nice way of taking. Now my question is, see, this takes a long time. One graph I need 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay, I can tell lot many things about from this graph. Now here you are able to connect. Now fifth graph is in military, and उनको बोलते हैं कि आप एक परचेस करने जाओ, गन्स परचेस करने जाओ, और जहां से गन्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होता है इंडस्ट्री में, वहां के जो प्रोजेक्ट हेड है उनका जो ग्राफ है वो थर्ड है. सो मिलिट्री इज द फिफ्थ एंड ही इज गोइंग टू बाय गन्स फ्रॉम अ फैक्ट्री, एंड वेयर ही गोज एंड मीट द नेशनल एड सेल्स, हिज ग्राफ इज थर्ड. व्हाट डू यू थिंक शुड बी डन? ये कमांड करेगा, और उनका कंट्रोलिंग पेरेंट कम है, इनका कंट्रोलिंग पेरेंट ज्यादा है. What do you think the discussion will be like? Think. One-sided. We are above 15 minutes. People are quite engrossed here. But here, if your egogram is not taking place, we can have one-to-one discussions also. Not an issue. Range, a good deal. Okay, Indrajit, good deal. Fifth graph, person will dominate the sales call. Okay. Some more thought. He'll be a hard negotiator. Okay. He will be a hard negotiator. Okay. So, वो negotiate, he will try to impress the seller with his knowledge. Okay. Now here we see this on graph number 3, the natural child is very high. So he talks lot of things, maybe like a natural child. So natural child very open. So this person will be very open. Now inka natural child is on 12. It is on a lower side than the other graphs. His commanding is more. So maybe graph number 3 would like to speak lot of things about sports or what's happening, but NC may not be interested to understand. Okay, so discussion may not continue for a long time. So this may hurt graph number 3 because he is interested to open up, but graph number 5 is not interested to listen to it because the graph is lower. So if we are able to listen to him, now I know my sugar is low, I should or high, I should not have sugar. मेरे को शुगर हो गया, मेरे को शक्कर मीठा चीज नहीं खाना चाहिए, मेरे को पता है. अभी क्या होता है ना, इस ग्राफ अगर आपका बन जाता है, पता चलता आपका ग्राफ कैसा है, तो इस ग्राफ से पता चलता मेरा नेचुरल चाइल्ड कम है, मेरा कमांडिंग ज्यादा है, तो मैं दूसरे को कमांड करता हूँ. इन अ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कमांडिंग हो जाता है. So other people feel hurts and slowly they don't come to me. So this is one disadvantage how you lose people. Because the last session which I had on connecting people, और नेटवर्किंग, ये नेटवर्किंग में भी काफी आपको मदद करेगा। अगर मैं आपसे नेटवर्किंग रखना चाहता हूँ, अगर जिनका कंट्रोलिंग पेरेंट कम है तो मेरे को उसको कंट्रोल करूंगा तो उसे भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। So this is how we can improve on doing this. Uh, we can have one-to-one session. It is already, I think we have crossed. People are waiting 12, 17 who we have taken some more time. Now, if one graph may require 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay, we can talk one-to-one with all 10 people also. Okay, I may not be able to give one hour, 1 hour to 30 minutes, because if I give that, that becomes a professional thing. Number two, I need to give a solutions to people also how you should behave. Okay, if there are conflicts, now there are participants sitting here, they may have conflict with the wife. Now they may not be able to come up and open up here. So a very good way of doing this session and connecting to the person is over telephone or over WebEx. We can do one-to-one so that people can open up. Okay. So I just wanted to give a 1 hour only the introduction about egogram. You can do it in the corporate. You can do it with your family. You can do it with your son, husband, wife relation, father and son, daughter relations, bosses relations. A boss, corporates having a complete corporate office can do the egogram for the senior management people. This will also help the people. So this is what I wanted to give a small introductions about egogram, because egogram is always one-to-one. We cannot have a mass, and this is not a training program also. Yes. So my next thing is I've done with it till now, but certainly the people who are here with him with certain things. So any questions from any one of you, you can just unmute and directly talk to me. You can open up video, unmute yourself and talk to me.
Hi, Rajat. This is Minnie speaking.
Yes.
Yeah. If we have to do a one-to-one, can we talk to you directly about this?
Directly. Yes.
Yeah,
You all have
fine.
my phone number. You can talk. What I'll do, I'll send you a link. I'll send you a
Right.
link.
Right.
I'll
Fine.
send you a
Thanks.
link. And after I send you a link, you do the egogram, and this will be done in half an hour time. But the
Okay.
time you are doing this, you keep your mobile outside, absolutely free. ऐसा नहीं है कि normally the way we do, half cooking and half meeting. Okay,
Mhm.
completely. Open up the shoes, keep your foot on the floor. Let's have some earthing so that the best of answers can come out to get the best of results. So that I can give you a direction what you should do to have a better living.
Okay.
There
Thanks.
is no
Thank.
way of yes, no stress
Yeah.
management training required after this. There are a lot of friends wanted to have some divorce, but they are jointly together. There are
Oh, that's wonderful.
people who I know wanted to do suicide, so now they are well settled. Okay, so we can do this if it is a critical
Okay.
requirement,
Okay.
right?
Thank you so much, Rajat. Thank you for a
Any
detailed
other?
session. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other people who would like to know anything or ask
Yes,
me directly?
you can send me also the link. This was an excellent session. Excellent.
Thank you.
I think you've given us a lot of insight into this. In fact, actually, I am a little confused. I need to really know now who I am
So what do you think, Mr.
or what I am.
If you're confused, what do you think should be the adult level? So we need to check on that adult
No,
level.
I need to go through this again.
So it's
I need to go through this all over again because it is to understand this. It just in this 1 hour is not possible. I mean, that is what I felt. I think
Yes.
you need to go very deep. I feel I'm a person with mixed traits.
Yes. Acha, mixed traits.
Yeah. So sometimes I'm a adult, sometimes I'm a child, sometimes I'm something. So it is very confusing to me.
No. Well, you can do one thing. You just put yourself in this egogram test, then learn something about it. Then I'm going to make my egogram and send it to you to study.
Okay. I think we need to do a couple, at least 2-3 sessions, to really understand the whole concept. It's very interesting. There's no doubt about it.
Yes, the first thing you understand about yourself. That's all. After that,
Yes.
the first thing when you know what is your graph, your half of the problem is solved. you know yourself. Then half of
Correct.
the problem is how to influence other people, or how to be good to other people, and how other people will like you. That is the next thing. First 50%
Correct. Correct.
know yourself.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Any more questions?
Yeah, I
Any more
think
questions?
it's a one-to-one discussion.
Exactly.
Nice session, Rajat. Deepa here.
Yeah, Deepak. Very
Very
nice.
interesting. Yeah, very nice inputs. I've already attended yours a little bit, but now I've got to know more better. Thank you.
Yeah. This is actually not a training session or something like
Yeah.
we take off like work-life balance or influencing skills or any other session. It is an egogram which will help us to do our programs and our business in a better way. And tomorrow, if you want to be an entrepreneur, there are certain kind of graph which is required, because graph you cannot change, the level can be changed, but a graph from M to W cannot happen. Now my graph is something like a M, but it cannot be a W. It cannot be changed like that. The whole graph can come up and there may be a variations, but the complete graph cannot be changed. The graph is going to be remained, which has been formatted out of that triple B. So if we have to spend 1 to 1 hour, if we have to do for a corporate, if any one of you are doing a coaching program, you can take this and do a coaching program. You will understand your people in a much better way. We can collaborate and do this business in a much better way. And 1 to 1, I used to do with corporates and 1 to 1. So it is chargeable, because here I am giving 1 hour, 1.5 hours time. So that will be charged, because here 1 hour to 20 people, 40 people, fine. So this is the sharing of knowledge. But if I have to take out your graph and read your graph and explain you the graph and give you a solution, so we may not need 3 sittings also. Okay, so that is also very important.
Yes, yes. Surely we'll
So any
connect.
more questions? Yeah, surely. And with the people, those who have got the graph, any person can come up with the graph. Any person can show their face with the graph. Who has got a graph? I will not ask anything except 1 or 2 questions, very general question.
Yeah, my graph is there with you.
Okay. Okay. So AS, कौन है? You have done the graph AS.
Yes, I am Deepa.
Huh?
I am Deepa here.
Hello. Deepa. Yeah. So Deepa, you completed the graph?
Yeah, I haven't. Means you send it to me, na?
You have done it. So are you able
Yeah.
to understand yourself? आपको कितना
No,
परसेंट समझ में आ रही है इस सेशन
नहीं,
से?
नहीं, अभी
आप खुद को कितना परसेंट जान रहे हैं?
नहीं, I have to see it properly. I could not understand it. I have to get see, and I have not understood it
Now
much.
now the graph is in front of you.
Yeah, it's there.
Now, so I am not asking about your graph. So looking at your graph, you can understand कौन सा dominant ज़्यादा है. How do you pitch yourself?
Mine is 19 is AC.
नहीं, don't नहीं, आपका ग्राफ है मेरे पास. Would you like to show your graph on the screen?
I don't understand this WebEx at all, so I don't think I'll be able to show.
नहीं, I will show you. I will show you the graph.
Okay.
I will show you the graph. Don't worry.
Yeah, I have it in front of me.
You have it in front of me. You don't mind showing it to?
Yeah, it's okay. No issues.
It's okay. Okay, nothing.
Nothing personal. अगर है तो वो नहीं, पर बाकी तो generally we can discuss.
मैं आपका ग्राफ में थोड़ा बता देता हूँ.
When you said this is Amita here.
Yes.
Yeah, when you said share for is my graph visible?
Yes. Your graph is visible. I'll just show the graph to you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is Amita here, huh? Is the screen sharing happening? Is the graph visible?
Yes, and just I'm bringing it. I'm just bringing the graph. Deepa this is Deepa's graph. Can you see the graph? All of you can see the graph? Hello.
Yeah,
Can you see the
I don't.
graph?
I can't.
Deepa,
Yeah,
can you
yeah,
see
yeah.
the graph? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now, Deepa, your CP
Yes,
is
Rajat,
now
it's
it's a very
visible.
good graph. So what I can tell you very in short, Deepa, your graph is like 11, 15 and 13. अगर ये आपको पूरा ट्रायंगल होता ना, ये काफी अच्छा लीडर बनते. Now your graph, you want to be a leader. कहीं भी आप लीड करोगे, कहीं भी आपको एक चांस दूंगा ना, मैं लीड करो तो आप लीड करके आगे जाओगे. बट ये एडल्ट जो 13 है ना, 13 इज अ गुड ग्राफ. ये एडल्ट थोड़ा अगर कम रहता है आपका, राइट? तो क्या होता है ना, लोगों को एक्सेप्ट ज्यादा करते, तो कहीं कहीं आपका एडल्ट पोर्शन लोगों को ज्यादा दिखा देते हैं. मे बी आर इन अ रिलेशन फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम विथ मी और विद एनीवन, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल मी. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, जहां पे आप एडल्ट लेने के लिए ना, यू विल ट्राई टू कमांड ऑन दैट पर्सन दैट आई वांट टू डू लाइक दिस, आई वांट टू डू लाइक दैट. सो मे बी विद दिस 13 आपका एडल्ट थोड़ा कम दिखाएंगे, so people will stick to you more. This is one thing which I am saying. Your little professor जो है वो आपका थोड़ा कम है, सबसे कम है little professor. तो लिटिल प्रोफेसर कम रहने से व्हाट हैपेंस, लिटिल प्रोफेसर कम रहने से नए नए चीज आप इन्वेंट करना कम करोगे. यू लाइक टू डू वन थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. बट बहुत ज्यादा कम नहीं है, 10 है. तो अगर ये 5 में रहता तो वो ज्यादा मुश्किल होता. 5 बता रहा हूँ इसलिए, किसी का ना किसी का 5 भी होगा. सो ही और शी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. मेरा अगर 5 है, आई वोंट बी टू मच ऑफ क्रिएटिव पर्सन. नेचुरल चाइल्ड आपका है, आपका आप हरदम यू आर ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग, लाफिंग एंड ऑलवेज वेरी वेरी इंटरेक्टिव विद पीपल. सो कोई भी ग्रुप में जाएंगे तो वहाँ घुल मिल जाएंगे. अगर दीपा जी को मैं ग्रुप में बोल दूंगा, दीपा जी आप एक गाना सुनाओ मेरे को, आप जरूर सुनाएंगे, बिकॉज योर नेचुरल चाइल्ड इज वेरी हाई. एम आई राइट? सो नॉर्मली यू बिहेव इन दिस वे इन अ ग्रुप पार्टीज और समथिंग. एम आई राइट, दीपा?
Yeah, yes, yes.
You're right. So next time we are meeting, I can always tell you to sing a song, because I know
Yeah.
you will sing a song. You will be singing
No,
a
if I know to sing, definitely, na. But if I don't know, how will I sing?
but then also वो mood आ जाएगा, because your natural child is very high. और the one thing I can tell you, since your natural child is on 13, आपके पास hobbies भी होंगे. I don't know about your hobbies. We met professionally, but I'm sure that you keep hobbies also with you.
Yeah.
अभी तक बिजी शेड्यूल ऑल्सो हॉबीज है आपके पास. और अभी हॉबीज बोलने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इफ यू से रियली कुक वेल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन डेज में नहीं पहुंचूंगा. बट यू हैव लॉट ऑफ हॉबीज. सो दिस इज ओके. मैं इससे ज्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूंगा दीपा जी के बारे में यहाँ पे. समथिंग वेरी, इट मे गो वेरी पर्सनल, बट सो नाइस ऑफ यू दीपा दैट यू केम एंड यू मेड दिस, यू कंप्लीट तत्काल टिकट जैसा सब कुछ 10 बजे तक. 10 sleepers they booked it, and out of that you are one, and you allowed me to show your egogram to all of you. So that's
Thank
all.
you.
Yes.
I have also
Because of
shared
natural
my
child.
program.
I think that is
Okay.
because of natural child.
Yes. So whose natural child will be good, they are, उनका हार्ट प्रॉब्लम भी कम होगा. That is also one thing I can tell you. किसी का नेचुरल चाइल्ड अगर धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता और उम्र बढ़ते रहता है, तो they will also start having heart problems. So I advise for them to create some hobbies between. वो स्टार्ट करते अपने आप को बिजी रखना कहीं भी. लाइक अभी आप देखोगे इस समय में, दिस ऑल क्लिक टू मी व्हाई, बिकॉज मैं गाड़ी स्टार्ट करने के, किसी ने बोला गाड़ी स्टार्ट करके देखो बैटरी चार्ज हो रखी. तो गाड़ी स्टार्ट करते समय मैंने सोचा मेरा स्टार्ट होगा कि नहीं बैटरी पता नहीं. बैटरी तो चार्ज करवा लूंगा, मैं कैसे चार्ज करवाऊंगा. So I keep on doing this session of 11 days webinar and all that to keep myself charged, and you are joining also. You are also keeping your battery charged. और इस ecogram पे workout करोगे, that can be a great thing. Any more things you will wish to tell me? So we can be always there in one-to-one touch. So be in touch if you really want to know on this.
Rajat, as usual, a brilliant session. Thanks.
Thank you for coming and joining us. You showed interest for egogram, so I'm grateful to you. So can we close the meeting? I think today is Saturday. People are waiting for lunch. I don't want to hold people too much. We wanted to have it till 1, but still people are here. 10 people left us. And anytime you may just give me a WhatsApp, I'll call you back. The people who got 10. And from 11 to 20 who are there, we will be inviting them shortly and send their egogram. Okay. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Rajat. Have a lovely day.